Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hard drive on the Xbox One and replacing thermal paste on this machine. This Xbox One, I believe, has a failed drive. Hopefully it's just a failed drive. So I'm going to be tearing this apart and then replace the drive. A normal drive, I don't need the SSD or SSHD, and then replace the thermal paste while I'm at it. Joining me today is my nephew. This is his Xbox One. It's been a while since I tear down the Xbox, but pretty much straightforward. I'll be speeding up the video. It's gonna be pretty lengthy. Firstly, you would have to remove the seal, this part. Okay, there are clips that you would have to like slowly pry. Make sure you check before you remove to avoid damaging any cables. Almost there. Okay, the back cover is out. So you see the series of different kind of screws. I'm not gonna go in any order, so I'll just straight away remove the screws. But make sure you put the correct screw back. Okay. This is the hard drive, 500 GB, power supply, slowly disconnect the cable there. There you go. This is the drive. Okay, the drive is out. Pretty much straightforward. I formatted the new drive to exFAT, so it'll be easier for me. But you would have to download the firmware, the OSU1 on the Xbox side. This is the old drive. I'm gonna put in the new drive. I'm gonna screw all this back first, so it'll be much more easier for me later on. So I'm gonna put the new drive here first. What we're gonna be doing is remove the power supply. Okay. Okay. Power supply is out. Then slowly remove the DVD drive. Okay, DVD drive is out. I'm gonna place it here. Hopefully you guys can see from this area. You have to unscrew this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay guys, again, don't do this in the dark. I'm doing this outdoor. Make sure you disconnect the board. This is the Wi-Fi module, if I'm not wrong. There you go, put it there. I think this is the Wi-Fi, not sure, but doesn't matter. These are all still working fine. Again, I repeat, it's been years since I disassembled the Xbox One. Oh, one more screw. I'm doing this as fast as I can, but I don't recommend you rushing. Okay, there you go. Okay, alright, put it there. Now we're gonna be replacing thermal paste on this, because why not? First, you would have to be very careful. Pull this further up to unlock. Oh, it's already open, which is good. Replacing just the drive is a bit not really fun. The thrill is this one. Okay. Nice, okay. Okay. Just be patient. This could take a while sometimes. Sometimes it okay, there you go. That's the X. And then slowly lift up. It's okay. You don't need to remove that. You can see the thermal paste is quite dry. Take here. Quite dry. I'm not sure if this has been replaced before, but the seal earlier shows me that this has never been, you know, replaced or open. It's been open before. Okay, I'm gonna be replacing the thermal paste on the chip. There you go. Okay, pretty much straightforward.
Clean the fan.
Yeah, later. Later we're gonna be cleaning the dust off. Okay. Now I need you to hold for a while I clamp this back. Again, sometimes it will go your way, sometimes it doesn't, so be patient. Okay. Okay, done. Pretty fast. I'm gonna clean the dust off the fans. It's not really that dusty, but it should be fine. Okay, take this back. I'm gonna do another. I'm gonna continue later on. Powering up, turning on this Xbox One to show you that it's still gonna work, because I trust my hands. I don't need that. Screw everything back. I know you guys can't see much, but because I'm doing it like pretty fast, I could have, you know, used liquid metal on this, but there's no need to. Okay. I know people will be like, hey, you could do this in a well lighted room or area. Why I'm doing this outdoors, because the thrill of doing tech outdoors. Okay, I'm gonna put back the drive, Blu-ray drive. So we have to do the firmware stuff so the Xbox One will recognize the new drive. I'm almost done. It should be working fine, hopefully. Come on. This part is the most irritating. Okay. Fish. Okay. There you go. There you go. It's done. We're gonna be powering this on and show you that it's still working fine. So do not be scared to replace whatever you need to replace here. It's a pretty old machine, so if anything, if you were to damage anything, you know, this is quite cheap today. Alright, finally. It's been years, man. It's been years since I, you know, replaced hard drive, thermal paste on this. But it's pretty much straightforward. Okay, I'm gonna continue later on. So guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back. So we're gonna power on this Xbox One. I'm pretty sure this will work perfectly fine. Yep, there you go. It will lead you to the error screen, if I remember correctly, E105. Yep. So I have the firmware here downloaded onto the flash drive, OSU for Xbox One S. You would have to insert this and then do your system update. Okay, this is annoying. Alright guys, so this is it. After a few minutes minutes because I totally forgot how to redo this, but now it's working fine because my OSU1 is corrupted. I didn't know that, so I downloaded a fresh new OSU1 and now it's working fine. So yep, that's about it. Enjoy your Xbox One. Cheers.